Good morning. It is currently December 5th, 2019 at 4:30 in the morning. And this is the line here at Disney's Hollywood Studios for the grand opening of Rise of the Resistance attraction. It's now going on 4:45 in the morning. The question is, how soon will they let us into the park? Because the park technically doesn't open until 8 a.m. All right, guys, right at 5:30 in the morning, they let us enter the park, but we are currently stopped. For how long, I don't know, but it's good to be in the park. They are doing boarding groups. I don't know if we need it being here this early, but we went ahead and entered one. Disney cast members are telling us that we have to be in a boarding group. So right when you open the app, it's the first thing that pops up. I am in boarding group 15, so not too bad. And just like that, 6:15 a.m., we're starting to walk to Galaxy's Edge. I want to point out really quickly, Disney is doing a very great job at organizing us. Very smooth, very organized, and it's not chaos. And here we are approaching the entrance to Galaxy's Edge. Look at all the cast members. We're going in. They have stormtroopers out. Happy opening day! We made it to the front of the ride. They are only letting groups 10 through 12 in right now. We are the next party to go in. I thought they would just let people in if we got here early, but they are sticking to the boarding groups. Hey, look, the news is here. About 10 minutes later, our boarding group has been called and we're currently finally in line. The detail here in the queue is absolutely amazing. There's so much to look at. We are currently in line for the ride and it's already been shut down completely. Not even 5 minutes of it being open. They are already evacuating people off of the ride and offering them a fast pass to come back when it reopens. I don't know what we're gonna do because we're already in line, but you know, happy opening day. They are moving us out of the queue and they're going to be giving us a fast pass to come back. This sucks so much. Hopefully we'll get back on today, but yeah, everything's been shut down. They even turned off the heat, the lights flickered, the audio stopped, so we don't know what's going on right now. We just got out of the backstage area because we had to use the emergency exit. I don't know what is going on. Everybody is very upset at the moment. I'm upset. Not even 5 minutes, the ride has been open and it's already down. I'm not a big fan of this because we were so close to being on the ride and now we have to wait and all this madness again. It's not fair at all. I mean, I know we got it's not even a fast pass. We can just board when it comes back up. It's very confusing and very frustrating. Yep, look at this, guys. We have to wait in all of this all over again. I am here with Adam the Woo.
Me.
Where were you at when this went down?
I was in the queue line. I hadn't quite made it to the pre-show yet, so I've seen nothing except rock work and a little more rock work, a little bit of theming. So no spoilers.
So you didn't get to see much.
I didn't see anything. But I have the Magic Band loaded up. As soon as it's back, quite operational.
Hopefully soon.
Back on there.
Are you going to wait around, or you want?
I'm not leaving Batu East. That's what this is called.
East, yep.
California's Batu West. That's what all the cool kids are calling it. Batu East.
You guys have the drones yet?
No, no drones. We're droneless.
Droneless. Hopefully you guys will get them soon.
Are we supposed to see them today?
I was hoping this morning, but we didn't get to see them. Maybe tonight?
Maybe.
We'll see.
Wait and see. We might still be waiting right here as it gets dark.
Stay tuned. And about 45 minutes later, we're back in queue, heading into the first pre-show room. And now we have made it to the first pre-show room. And right behind these doors, the experience will begin.
Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits.
That's better.
Oh my goodness!
Yes.
Whoa!
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
We're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Aren't you
Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try...
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Oh my God! What in the world? Whoa! I don't know what to say.
God, this is the most
Wow!
best ride
Oh my
ever.
God!
This is insane.
What the hell? I don't know what to say right now. Wow. Just the theming in here, guys. I cannot say it enough. I am not even on the ride yet. And look how well it is themed. Look at the cast members' outfits. And they are in character. And look, there's more stormtroopers. Their heads are moving.
To make it easier on us, not on you. In your group? Orange. There may be hope for you yet.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh my God! What? What?
There's just so much. It's like...
Hurry and don't
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Oh my
Lock 3.
Way.
Ah! Oh my God!
If anyone's trying to get a blaster, now's a good time.
Oh, there's wind! There's wind! No! Oh! What? What? Oh my God!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Are we going outside? What?
Lieutenant back here. You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
I don't know what to say. Best ride I have ever been on, ever experienced. There is no other ride on the earth like this. It was done so well, so amazing, so immersive. Just speechless. I don't know what to say. I cried. My jaw was just on the ground the whole time. I didn't feel like I was on Earth. I didn't feel like I was in Disney World. I didn't feel like I was in Hollywood Studios. It literally made me feel like, since the moment I got on the ship, brought up to space, and just on Kylo Ren's ship, it was. I don't know what to say. It's amazing. I want to do it again and again and again and again and again. And Adam, what?
I think we're both sharing. I think everyone standing in this courtyard area is sharing the same sentiment. Absolutely amazing.
What was your?
Was that a ride, or was that a whole incredible experience?
Like I told you, it felt like I was in the movie. What was your favorite part?
I like the part when you go up towards the AT-ATs.
Yeah.
And then the part where you're not expecting it, and then you drop and take off. But that's only like one of 50 things that happen throughout the course of this thing.
There's just everywhere. There's something to look at everywhere.
In comparison to Smuggler's Run, this is like no joke.
Blows them out of the water.
Yeah, right.
Best ride in the world so far?
Yeah, I would say it's the best ride Disney's ever done.
I think we're gonna go get on it again. Doug, I mean, what did we just write?
I have no words. Like, it's next level. It's so immersive. Like, I have chills. I'm a little shaky because it was amazing. And no words. Just go ride it.
What was your favorite part? If there was a favorite part.
There was so much. I have to go again. There's too much. It's so much to take in. The whole thing from cue to ending. Flawless.
And just like that, an hour into opening, they are all full of boarding groups for the day. They are not letting anybody else on the ride. That is nuts. Some of the opening day merchandise here, I'm not too impressed with it. It's kind of basic. That opening edition trading pin is pretty cool, but I'm sure all this stuff will be here into next week. I don't think any of this is going to be sold out as far as today. I ran into Ashley and Janelle from Utah. You guys enjoying this weather? Yeah. Are you guys here for Rise of Resistance? Yes. Oh my gosh. Enjoy it. I still don't know what to say. Have you guys rode it yet?
No.
Oh, they're in for a treat. I still don't know what to say. I am still very speechless. I do want to say, I know in the middle it was a little disorganized because of the breakdown, and kind of the cast members didn't really know, some person would say something else and then the other person would say this, and it was just confusing. But really the ride made up for it, and how they're doing the virtual queue I really like, because you think you're going to be waiting in the queue for a long time when you're actually waiting for the ride. But we got on the ride in like 15 minutes. It was very, very quick. So once you guys get your queue called, get in line, you guys are hopefully going to get on the ride really quick. I don't know if it was just because I was here super early and I was one of the first groups in, but the ride, guys, you know, when I got off the ride, I didn't say anything because I was just so speechless. Like, I wanted to cry, but I couldn't get the tears out because how just stressed out emotionally I was because of how amazing it was. But there was a line of Imagineers, Disney Imagineers, and I believe those are the Imagineers who made and built this ride. And when I did my clip, when I got out of the ride, each and every single one of them was looking at me. And I noticed this because Bianca actually pointed it out. And, you know, I would love to just go back to them and just say thank you and maybe talk to them, because the guys, this is not, like I said, it's not an attraction. It's an experience. And I cannot wait to see what the hotel is going to be, because the hotel is going to be a 2-day attraction or immersiveness, just like this ride was. And, you know, that was just 15 minutes of my day. Imagine 2 full days of having that kind of theme in and being in that type of world and that type of environment. And I do want to say thank you so much to each of the cast members for being here today. As a former cast member, I know how hard it is, so thank you guys for being here, and thank you for putting up with us crazy people who love Star Wars. And it was a truly amazing experience. We're actually going to be coming back later today because we have another boarding group, but I'm going to enjoy that. I'm not going to have the camera, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's right at 9 a.m., so it pays off to get here early and get on the ride. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a massive thumbs up, as it just showed me you guys enjoyed it and you guys care. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often, and leave a comment and let me know what you guys thought of Rise of Resistance and when you guys are planning on coming to Hollywood Studios to ride Rise of the Resistance. If you guys want to support me on Patreon, as it really helps fund the future and all the adventures I'm able to take you guys on, please check out my Patreon down below. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And as far as now, I love you guys so much. It's nice to be nice, and you too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming out.